How to bold text in a Facebook post. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can bold text on a Facebook post. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to bold text on a Facebook post, you need to first of all open the Facebook application. After that, you just need to click on this what's on your mind on your very first home screen. After that, simply click on it and create a post. So here you just need to type in a text. I'm just gonna type in a text right now, and here what I'm gonna do is simply copy this text, hit this copy this text, and what you're gonna do is open up a browser and search for bold text generator, any of the browser. You may just search for Google as well. After that, to click on any of one of the bold text converter. So I'm just gonna paste that text here. After that, you will be able to see a bunch of options. So what you're gonna do is simply copy one of this. You can long press on it and you can see this copy option. I'm just gonna long press and copy. So after that is copied, you just need to get back and cross out the previous text. After that, simply paste it here, and there you go. This is the bold text that you can use in order to create a post on your Facebook. Simply hit on that post, and that you can see that bold text has been posted on your Facebook post when you go to your profile. So therefore, this is how you add a bold text to your Facebook post. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.